Hey, this is Mike with Grease Police Auto Detailing. I just wanted to make a video on my experience with the Rupes company and shipping the machine back to them to have it refurbished and then sent back to me. I have a LHR15 Mark III, so it's their third generation of polishers. I don't typically polish that much, but I do use the machine occasionally. I do more of like paint enhancements, one-step polishes, things like that in my business. But so I sent this machine out probably in the beginning of January, or I'm sorry, December, I want to say, of last year, of 2024. I probably sent it out in like December 6th. Just got it back today. Today's January 9th. So it was a few weeks. So let's, I guess, maybe count that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So like 4.5 weeks. That's a pretty good turnaround time. And that is what they say in their emails to you. They'll tell you like our turnaround time is roughly 4 weeks. So getting it out there, having them fix it, send it back, roughly for tomorrow would be 5 weeks, but I'll just say 4.5 for the sake of this video. In that time, I actually needed the tool, and I didn't have another polisher, so I actually had to buy another Mark III to use for that that job. So I'm probably going to keep it just because I think it's good to have two of everything. At least if one goes down, at least you have a backup. And in this case, I needed a backup. Wasn't planning on getting the job that I did, but I got it. So I had to get another machine while mine was getting fixed. So got the tool back today. This is the box that the new Mark III came in, but got the tool back from Rupes today, and they sent it back in like decent box. Honestly, it looks like everything's new almost. So I haven't opened the tool up yet. I don't know exactly what they fixed. They send an email back basically stating that any broken or worn parts were fixed and repaired. They don't go into detail about what that is. So I don't know what they fixed. I don't know what they repaired. But I'm gonna take it out of the box that they shipped it back to me in. It looks like a brand new tool, packaging wise. So let's open it up. So this is the box that they send it back in. It's not marked or anything, so nobody would really know what it was. But I mean, they definitely take care of your tools, I can say that. And this is definitely my tool. Okay, so there's some like information on shroud lubrication, something I was not doing prior to sending it out, cord management, and then it has information on extension cords as well. So that's cool, appreciate that. Some other documents in here. All right, so this probably will tell me what exactly was fixed. Gives the person's name, so there's a few documents in here. So it says tool was repaired per attached work order. Parts were found to be either damaged or not functioning properly and were replaced. Tool was cleaned and sanitized. Tool was tested for correct RPM of 5,200. It says thank you, and it says that, you know, I don't owe anything else because I already paid the $110. There's a ton of stuff on here. I don't know if everything that they listed on here was repaired. So it gives the description of what I said was wrong with it. It says they repaired a ram pin, a rotor repair level, crown gear. So it looks like a ton of new parts, or some things were replaced, at least. So I'll have to go through it more, but I think the real test is going to be, taking it out. It looks like a new machine. They give you a little Gorilla Dude sticker, and it says who. Actually, mine was done by Jim, so thanks, Jim. Appreciate it. Just put that off to the side. So overall, it looks like a new tool. I know that they replaced this handle piece up front, and the reason that I know that is because mine was damaged when I first got it. It like flipped over. I wasn't really good about making sure it didn't fall. But I will tell you that if you have like an air tag or something, let's see, I think I have one in here. Yeah. So I had an air tag. You can take this piece off and you can put an air tag in here, and you can call it whatever you want. Mine was like Mike's Rupes LHR15, whatever. I put the serial number in there just in case it was ever lost or stolen, or anything like that ever happened. But I put black duct tape in there with it and taped it in there. Never had an incident with the machine. These do let you know when the batteries need to get replaced. So you don't have to worry about like, hey, is my air tag still working? The air tag will let you know. But so they replaced this piece on mine. However, they didn't know, and I should have told them, hey, there's an air tag in there. If you guys do replace this handle piece, just remove it, put it in the new one, or send it back with what you're sending me here. So my air tag is still out in Colorado, but the machine is here. Not the end of the world. These are like 20 some bucks. I would like to have the air tag back, but hopefully they can find it. If not the end of the world. It's not their fault, really. I should have probably told them, so I'm not gonna fault them for that. But yeah, it looks like a new machine. They give you I wasn't expecting this. I was using one of these cable cuffs before, which are very similar to this Rupes cable cuff that they have provided me with, so that's cool. Appreciate that. And this was all 110 bucks. So if you're somebody that needs to get your tool looked at, replaced, you should look into doing this. It's something that they offer. So I'm about to cut the zip tie off, and then just plug this machine in and see. Take a listen to the tone, because I'm sure that it probably sounds a lot better. All right, so I'll turn it on. Yeah, it seems to be working like brand new. I think they replaced some of these pieces down here too. Mine were kind of chewed up, but I think it's great for the money. 110 bucks. This is like to replace this, because I just bought one, you're looking $400 to $450 range to buy one of these new. So if you can keep these lasting, running for a while, definitely do so. I'm gonna read over the instructions that they gave me. I think what I was not doing was putting grease or any kind of lubrication in here, and then it just dried out and started to deteriorate things. So I will make sure to do that. This is definitely new backing plate because I had mine marked, so they replaced that. So I'll go ahead and remark mine again. But if you're thinking about doing it, now's the time. The reason I did it now is because it's wintertime. Everything's slowing down, so I wanted to get it done and not have to worry about having tools break down on me during the season. So that is my take on the Rupes refurbishing program that they offer. So I think you should definitely do it. It's worth the money. All right, thanks.